Hello everyone, this is Anju and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to make this beautiful moss covered Easter basket using things from the Dollar Tree. So my design inspiration came from these green wine Pottery Barn baskets, and also I see a lot of these moss covered decor these days, but they are way too expensive and you don't really have to break your bank to make something like this. So my project came just under $3, and if you have an old basket you could actually repurpose it to make something beautiful like this, or you can just grab a basket from the Dollar Tree, and also you need a bag of moss. So in today's video I will show you how to make this Easter basket and also this Happy Easter topper, and they will add a lot of elegance to your Easter tablescape. So without wasting much time, let's hop right into it.
So this is the bag of moss I bought from the Dollar Tree, and here's my basket. I chose a green color for this because I will be covering it with moss, and I am just going to leave the handle as such and just cover the outside with moss. And also I will leave these ribbons. I think they are very cute with this tiny little flowers on it, so I'll just leave it like that. So first you want to take some moss, and using some hot glue you want to start attaching it to the outside of the basket. So I don't want to cover the inside of the basket with moss because I will be filling it with some Easter grass and it will not show anyways. So I'm just gonna leave the handle and also the inside of the basket as such. So this can definitely get a little messy, but trust me, it is so worth it. So once you're done, look for any open spots, and if you find some, please go ahead and cover it with some more moss. So mine is all done now. And to make the topper, you want to take a rectangular sheet of paper and just fold it in half and make cuts in the paper like so. So once you're done with that, you can finish it off with some stickers. when you want to attach the topper to the basket, and I'm using some curling ribbon here and just glue it to the topper like so.